Welcome to Best Choice. The best folding mirror is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked travel accessories for anyone who values looking their best on the go, transforming any space into a personal grooming station with its compact design and surprising functionality, ensuring you always make a great impression whether you're at a hotel, a campsite, or simply touching up before an important meeting. Number 5. FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror. Introducing the FUNTOUCH Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror, designed for your on-the-go beauty needs. It's your perfect travel companion, ensuring you always look your best. Forget frequent charging or battery changes. This mirror features a built-in rechargeable battery, making it incredibly convenient for all your travels. It's always ready when you are. This foldable mirror is as slim and lightweight as an iPad mini, fitting easily into your bag. Despite its compact size, it boasts 72 LED lights for perfect illumination. Choose from 3 distinct light colors, warm, white, and cool, to suit any setting. The high-sensitivity touchscreen allows for easy on-off and brightness adjustment with a simple touch. Enjoy a distortion-free, high-definition reflection with this premium cosmetic mirror. It's crafted from high-quality materials and makes an ideal gift for anyone special in your life. Looking for the perfect present? This LED vanity mirror is a thoughtful gift for women of all ages, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's sure to be appreciated. What we like? This mirror offers a built-in rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for frequent charging or battery replacements, making it incredibly convenient for travel. It also features 3 distinct color lighting options and a dimmable touch screen for personalized brightness. If you're looking for a travel companion that provides versatile lighting and a sleek, modern interface, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The mirror is very clear and the size is perfect for travel. It folds up nicely and fits easily into my makeup bag. The stand is sturdy and holds the mirror at a good angle for applying makeup. Number 4. Fancii Lumi Rose Gold LED Makeup Mirror. Experience true-to-life color-correct details with lighting that closely simulates natural sunlight. Get a clear view of your features as they truly are. Effortlessly switch between 1x and 10x magnification. It's perfect for detailed tasks like applying makeup, precise tweezing, or managing blemishes. Enjoy a large, distortion-free 5-inch view in a slim, stylish, and lightweight design. It's the perfect companion for your handbag or travel needs. Our LED lights are built to last, offering up to 20,000 hours of illumination. Unlike traditional bulbs, they won't burn out or diminish over time. This elegant compact mirror features a glossy rose gold finish. It's a stylish accessory suitable for any occasion, adding a touch of sophistication. What we like? This mirror provides both 1x and 10x magnification, perfect for detailed tasks like makeup application or tweezing, and its LED lights closely mimic natural sunlight for true-to-life color. The elegant rose gold finish adds a touch of sophistication. If you need precise detail work and appreciate a stylish aesthetic, this mirror is ideal for you. What people say. The mirror is very clear and the size is perfect for travel. It folds up nicely and fits easily into my makeup bag. The stand is sturdy and holds the mirror at a good angle for applying makeup. Number 3. Compact Mirror with Light. This compact mirror offers both 1x and 3x magnification. It's perfect for everyday makeup application and detailed facial treatments, giving you precise control. Enjoy convenient use with its 180-degree opening capability. You can easily hold it in one hand while achieving a flawless makeup look and caring for your eyes. Featuring 8 ultra-bright LED lights, it illuminates your face perfectly. You can always see your truest appearance, even in dimly lit environments. This small mirror is designed for portability, fitting easily into your pocket, handbag, or wallet. It's powered by a small battery, making it ideal for both home and travel. An exquisite and detailed cosmetic mirror, it's suitable for women of all ages. It makes a perfect gift for special occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. What we like? This compact mirror offers both 1x and 3x magnification, suitable for general makeup application and close-up facial treatments. It's equipped with 8 bright LED lights to illuminate your features even in dim conditions. If you prioritize a portable solution for quick touch-ups on the go and need a reliable light source, this pocket-sized mirror is a great option. What people say. The mirror is a good size for travel and folds up compactly. It's sturdy and doesn't feel cheap. The magnification is also quite good. The stand is stable and holds the mirror at a good angle for makeup application. Number 2. EFAILY Folding Travel Mirror. Introducing the EFAILY Folding Travel Mirror, your perfect companion for beauty on the go. Its sleek, ultra-thin design makes it incredibly portable. This PU leather mirror is designed for your convenience. It's adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect angle wherever you are. Whether you're traveling, camping, or simply getting ready at home, this mirror is a must-have. Its compact size fits easily into any bag. Crafted with quality PU material, it's both durable and stylish. The rectangular shape offers a clear and wide reflection. Measuring 6.4 inches wide and 5.3 inches long, it's the ideal size for your daily routine. Experience effortless beauty with this foldable mirror. What we like. This mirror boasts an ultra-thin and lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to pack and carry. Its adjustable stand offers flexibility for various viewing angles, and the PU material provides a durable and stylish exterior. If you're seeking a minimalist and highly portable mirror for travel or home use where space is a consideration, this option is perfect. What people say. The mirror is very clear and the size is perfect for travel. It folds up nicely and fits easily into my makeup bag. The stand is sturdy and holds the mirror at a good angle for applying makeup. Number 1. MIYADIVA 30x Magnifying Makeup Mirror with Light. Achieve flawless makeup application with our powerful 30x magnifying mirror. It's perfect for detailed tasks like tweezing, shaping eyebrows, and applying eyeliner. This mirror features 56 bright LED lights with 3 color modes: cool white, natural daylight, and warm light. You can easily adjust the brightness to create your ideal makeup environment. It comes with a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery that fully charges in about 2 hours, providing long-lasting illumination. Convenient USB-C charging makes it easy to power up anywhere. Designed for beauty on the go, its compact folding design fits easily into any bag. The adjustable stand offers versatile use, making it perfect for travel and everyday needs. This makes a thoughtful gift for women of all ages. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion for the makeup lover or traveler in your life. For the clearest image with the 30x magnifying mirror, please ensure you are viewing from a distance of 4 inches or less. What we like. This mirror stands out with its extreme 30x magnification, perfect for the most intricate makeup details or skincare routines. It features 56 bright LEDs with 3 color modes and is conveniently USB-C rechargeable for easy power-ups. If you demand absolute precision in your beauty routine and need a powerful, versatile tool for detailed work, this mirror is the ultimate choice. What people say. The mirror is a good size for travel and folds up compactly. It's sturdy and doesn't feel cheap, even though it's lightweight. The stand is stable and holds the mirror at a good angle for makeup application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.